The watch industry is famous for superfluous anniversaries, but I've got to say, this one is legit. Zenith's El Primero turns 50 this year, a mighty automatic chronograph movement that was one of the very first to enter the market. To celebrate, Zenith have released a trio of super faithful reissues of the first watch to house the caliber, the El Primero A386 Revival. This trilogy is offered in a suite of golds, white, yellow and red, which is suitable not just for the Golden Jubilee celebration, but also Zenith's distinctive overlapping tricolor chronograph subdial layout. The cases are nigh on perfect too, 38mm across, and with details like the brushed finish and pump style pushers being very true to type, as is, of course, the movement. It's the El Primero 400, and it's now visible through a sapphire back. The top crystal is sapphire too, and finished to a higher level than the 1969 original. Another interesting point about these El Primeros is that they come with a 50-year warranty. It's a nice touch and a way for Zenith to say that their flagship movement has done the job for the last 50 years and they've got absolutely no concerns that it's going to perform without pause for the next 50. Each version of this watch is limited to, you guessed it, 50 pieces. So if you're interested, act fast, as I don't think they'll stick around long. The Australian retail is $27,500 regardless of the case metal. So there's Zenith's latest. What did you think? Tell us below, and of course, subscribe to the channel and the site.